Hello? Hello? Oh, wait. I think I'm upside down. That's better. Are you ready to read some more words? Here you go. Don't forget, the first one says its name and the second one is silent. And here's your clue to what's at the end of this. It is beautiful, it shines, and both your mom and dad have some. Wonder what it could be. Beautiful, shines, and both your mom and dad have some. Let's see. Here we go. E, nothing. T, heat, heat, heat. O, E, nothing. K, leak, leak. K, O, N. Does E say anything? No, it made O say O. Cone, cone. I, N. That E made I say I. So now it says nothing. I, N. Mine, mine, mine. Do you ever argue? Say mine, mine, mine. B. Yep, I, because that E made it say I. I, t, bite. O, I, k. E says nothing. Like. I like you. Hide. Hide. Do you like to play hide and go seek? I do. E. This says nothing now. D. Seed. Seed. It's the time to plant some seeds. Kite. Kite. That E says nothing. Kite. Do you like to fly your kite? Okay, we have one left for this little piece. And behind there is something that's beautiful and it shines. And your mom and dad might have some. And let's see if I can give you one more clue. You have to search for it. You usually have to search really hard for it. Some people use their whole life searching for it. What could it be behind that card? Here we go. O, E, A says nothing. F, leaf, leaf. Now are you ready to see? Here you go. What could it be? Let's see. What does that say? Oh no, a word we have to figure out. Miss Parris, you might be able to notice just looking down at the bottom what that is. But this says old. Old. See, O-L-D is a special sound. It says old. So put a G on the front. Old. Gold. Wow. Look at all that shiny, sparkly, beautiful gold. Now, is this worth a lot? No, because actually it's just little flakes of gold. It's not very heavy. It's very fine, but it is gold nonetheless. And mom and dad might have some on a necklace or a ring. So maybe you can find a little bit of gold around your house, but it is pretty and it is sparkly and fine. Now, if you did not read these words very well, guess what Miss Parris wants you to do? I want you to go back and watch the video because you need to learn how to read words with 2 vowels in them.